back, I'm Tedward. Today we're out here in the GR Corolla. I'm pretty excited that my first laps on Road America this year are gonna be in the GR Corolla. This should be a good time. We're not out trying to do like time attack or anything crazy, so don't expect insanity, but we're gonna have some fun and play with the car. So I am in sport mode and I hit the track button. So we'll see what that gives us. Good?
Good, yeah.
I love Road America. All right, where do they put these chicanes? I have not been out here yet, so I haven't seen what they've done. There we go, okay. You don't want to be the guy knocking down cones. Brakes are phenomenal. Just the way this transfers power front and rear is really special. Brakes up the hill under the Corvette sign. And this 3-cylinder is wild because it has, you know, a bit of lag, but it still behaves really nice up top. I forget this section of track completely, but they've repaved this, so it's really nice. Can't remember if this decreases. I see maybe another, oh, we're doing this chicane, all right. I love a scouting lap. That's so much fun. Oh, come on, get in there. There we go. There's that lag. I left it in third, lost all my momentum, lost all my boost. And this is a crazy straightaway because it's not really straight. And they put a chicane in here because they don't want us going like 170 miles an hour. Back on throttle. Takes a little bit of time to build up that boost again. This is a really sharp corner. They told us not to go on or near the curbing, so I'm not doing that. And then basically we're supposed to cool down up here. So the GR Corolla is really special. I think this car just does some pretty outrageous things for the money and for the platform. It's like an econo car that can behave incredibly well on a racetrack, and I don't think the racetrack is its home. I think it's more of a rally car. I think this car belongs more on a road circuit, like with some mixed pavement and gravel, or, you know, just some canyon runs. I had so much fun with this car out in California and just on canyon roads, and it's really incredible. So that's like a kind of a really, like, you know, 5/6 lap in a GR Corolla, and I'm happy because I love Road America. So let's go get some more cars out there and we'll figure out what this track is all about in some other vehicles. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Don't forget to respect the drive, and I'll see you in the next one.